question today is, what happens if I lose revenue during a loss? It's a great question, and there's coverage for that on your farm policy. It normally comes as an endorsement, or we can write it as a standalone policy. It's called business interruption or farm loss of income, or you may see it as farm loss of income and extra expense coverage on your policy. And it covers mainly for livestock operations, whether that's dairy or beef cattle, or confinement operations and poultry or hogs. And it covers your financial protection if you had a barn burn down, or a tornado come through, or even just partial damage to your barn during a loss, and while it's getting rebuilt, you're losing some revenue while you can't have livestock in there and until you restock. So typically we'll see this in confinement operations. A barn burns down, or a bad storm comes through and rips off the roof, and unfortunately you got to depopulate, or as those are going out, you can't get new animals in there. So whether you're a contract grower or you own your own hogs, this coverage is for you. So if you own your own, obviously you need that coverage, and you can kind of mitigate the risk a little bit on that side as a grower, but you need to see how much coverage you would like during a loss, or how much you could withstand spreading risk between several barns potentially. And then if you're a contract grower, you really need to dive into your contract with your integrator and see if you have a loss where your barn is not populated. Are you going to lose revenue? I know a lot of times for turkey barns, even in your downtime, while they're getting cleaned up and until you're repopulated, you're not earning income. So in those scenarios, you're going to lose income for 3, 4, 5 months, however long it takes to get cleaned up and get a new barn design and repopulated. So this is where this coverage would come in and cover that loss of revenue for that downtime, and until you can start having livestock in your barns again. And as you can imagine, especially with these large hog barns, being out for 4, 5, 6 months can be detrimental to the farm operation without this loss of income insurance. And so really just take a look at that, talk to your agent, make sure you've got that coverage if you do have livestock barns, and figure out kind of what the amount that you need to withstand, or maybe you only insure certain barns depending on your operation. And if you like this video and others like it that we put out, please subscribe below or like and share it so other farmers can see us as well, and we can continue making these videos for you guys. And if you enjoy this type of relationship with your insurance professional, where it's based off of education and insight, then please give us a call. We'd love to work with you. You can reach me directly, 765-744-0194. And I'm Tanner Coulter, owner of Coulter Farm Insurance. And then you can also go to our website at coulterfarminsurance.com, and you'll see a bunch of good information there. Or you can reach out to us via email or submit contact info on there. Thank you guys, and have a great day.